Welcome to today's explainer. We're bypassing all the usual noise today and diving straight into the hidden economics of vehicle aesthetics. I mean, have you ever actually stopped to wonder about the business behind the badges, the chrome trims, and those sleek interiors of the cars we drive every day? We all love a little vehicle bling, right? But today, we're zeroing in on one highly specific metric that completely changes how we look at auto manufacturing and supplier profitability. So let's kick things off with a pretty intriguing question. How on earth does a car parts supplier actually grow their revenue when overall vehicle sales stall? It feels totally counterintuitive, right? If manufacturers aren't selling more cars globally, how can the guys supplying the parts make more money without, selling more parts? Well, the secret isn't in the sheer volume of cars rolling out. It's all about the specific components they're packing into each one. Section 1. Defining kit value. Here is the absolute core concept we need to understand: kit value, which is also known as content per vehicle for aesthetics. Basically, this is the total monetary value a decorative parts manufacturer earns from supplying all the aesthetic components for just one vehicle. So it's not about macro global volume at all. It's literally just measuring exactly how much aesthetic value, how much bling, is packed into every single individual car rolling off that assembly line. Section 2. Examples across vehicle segments. Let's look at a real-world example to see how this actually plays out. Consider the progression here across different types of vehicles on the road today. An entry-level commuter motorcycle. That carries roughly 500 to 800 rupees in basic decals or simple graphics. But look at what happens when a consumer upgrades. A premium motorcycle jumps up to anywhere between 2,000 and 4,000 rupees for the supplier, just for things like 3D badges and specialized finishes. And then you look at a premium SUV, which carries between 5,000 and 8,000 rupees in aesthetic content. That is a massive 10 times multiplier for the supplier, and they didn't have to sell a single extra vehicle to get it. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does 5,000 to 8,000 rupees actually buy you on a premium SUV? Well, we definitely aren't talking about simple vinyl stickers anymore. We're talking about tangible luxury. Things like high-end chrome trim, those super sophisticated in-mould labeling interior panels, optical cover glass for the digital displays, and even illuminated logos. The sheer density and sophistication of these premium parts, crammed into one single vehicle, is exactly what makes that kit value completely skyrocket. Section 3. Strategic significance for growth. This brings us to why this metric is an absolute game changer. It completely decouples revenue from unit volume. Just think about that for a second. Even if total industry vehicle sales stay completely flat or they grow at a snail's pace, a supplier's top-line revenue can still expand rapidly. And why is that? Because manufacturers are literally cramming richer, much higher value specifications onto every single chassis just to keep up with modern consumer design standards. This whole decoupling effect is driven entirely by something called premiumization. Basically, as buyers keep demanding higher-end SUVs and luxury motorcycles, every single new vehicle hitting the pavement generates significantly more money for the aesthetics manufacturer. The market shift toward luxury directly lines the pockets of these suppliers. To put it into perspective, they literally don't need to outfit 3 basic cars if outfitting just one luxury car brings in the exact same revenue. It's brilliant. So, as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a bit of a provocative thought. As our vehicle interiors basically turn into these glowing digital command centers, how high is this kit value metric going to soar when expensive, new generation smart surfaces and optical cover glass become the everyday standard? The whole definition of automotive aesthetics is evolving right before our eyes, shifting from physical chrome to smart, integrated tech. That means kit value is poised for some wildly fascinating and highly profitable shifts in the near future. Definitely keep this hidden economic metric in mind the next time you step inside a brand new car.